Hi guys, welcome back to another video. These days YouTube has reduced my video reach, so please share this video to your friends. Let's go. Preview. Now open Node Video. Go to Imports, then Load Project. Zip link in description. Tap this. Now select Text 3D. Select text and enter your name. Tap this to enter your name. Now select second text 3D and enter your name again. Now export it. Now move the first clip, like this. Then export it. Now open Alight Motion. Add your clips. Now select the first clip and go to Effects. Select Chroma key and do like this. Threshold plus 0.11. Now select the second clip. Then go to Effects and select Hue Shift. Now go to Blending and Opacity and select Lighten. Then select Screen. Now go to Move and Transform. Then adjust the size of text. All apps download link in description. All done. Now you can export your clip. See you Monday.